What's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video, and today I have for you guys the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Finally went on sale. I ordered it. It took about 3 weeks to come in, but I bought it for $229 at the Military Exchange website. So let's get this thing unboxed. I did not buy the combo kit, obviously, as you can see. I only bought the camera. All that extra stuff, I already have tripods and whatnot. So the only thing I may get from DJI is the battery kit. That wasn't sold separately, but you can buy it on DJI separately. So there we have. So let's see what we get in this pack. So we do get a USB to USB Type-C. We get an instruction manual, and we get, oh, there's a case. Oh, okay, I didn't know the case came with it. So inside of that, we get one of the screw ends. We get the adapter that goes at the bottom. We get the battery, and we get the case for the camera. Battery here. So this is a 1950 amp battery. Okay. So it's supposed to be up to 4 hours in 1080p. I'm not going to try that, but I'm sure the battery life is just as good as the other ones. I never run out of battery with any of my cameras because I don't film that long. So that's not that big a deal. And then this is, so we get a sticky mount, and we get the adapter piece that goes to the bottom of the camera, okay? So I showed you this to screw in, so whoa. I thought my GoPro was small. Without that cage on, which I don't know if I'm gonna even use that cage, to be honest with you. Man, this thing is small. Hold up. I gotta compare this to the size of my GoPro. I got this necklace on, but yeah, this is way smaller than the GoPro. Thickness is about the same, but size-wise, yeah, this is much smaller than the GoPro. And then if I compare it to the Action Pro, yeah, it ain't even close. The Action Pro is thicker, taller, heavier. Yeah, everything about the Action Pro, but I actually am starting to love the Action Pro now. I don't know why, but I love filming with this camera. Not so much with the GoPro, but with the Action Pro, yeah. Man, without that cage on, this thing is super small, guys. I did not realize this thing was this little. But okay, cool. So let's get that off the lens. Now I heard about this door. I heard a lot of people were having problems with this door as far as it just opening it up on its own. So definitely going to test that. Don't need a memory card, but I do have one I will get. I know it comes with 47 gigs of memory already inside. So I'm not going to try it right now. This is just the unboxing, but I will turn it on and see if the battery has any power, and it does. So it has me going through the little process right here. Skip 5 times. Oh, so they want you to, I guess I got to go to the Memo app and set this up. So it'll let you skip 5 times. Oh, it already picked it up. Connect. Accept. Agree. I guess it's gonna run through all that. I don't need to see all that. Swipe left. Oh, okay. So super night mode. You guys have all seen this because there's been a ton of unboxings on this, but we're gonna leave it in video. Here we go. So without a memory card, because you guys saw I didn't put a memory card in here. So there should be, yep. And yeah, it's fast because my other ones are not this fast. So swipe down. Yep. Okay, recording. So here's what I just recorded. Is it like the other ones? Yeah, it'll let you go in, hit the file. So if you had a DJI product before, this is gonna seem very familiar. I had the Action 2. I had the original Osmo Pocket 1. And that's it for DJI cameras, but I got a bunch of drones and other things. So, okay, this is pretty cool. Let me see how I feel about it with the cage. Oh, okay, so it just slides in, doesn't come apart at all. And you just close it. Even still like that, it's about the size of the GoPro now. Doing that, it's about the size of the GoPro. So that cage just make it bigger. I don't even know if I want to use this cage on it, to be honest with you. Because it is super small without that cage on. And yeah, next to this one, yeah, it's not even close. This is just a beast. Dude, this is ridiculous. They have you answer all these questions. This part is ridiculous. So you gotta answer all this. It's affordable. I'm just gonna breeze through this. Basic instructions. This is ridiculous. Finally, before you actually get done, you gotta answer all these questions and crap. But it takes no time to turn this thing on. All right, guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. I don't know I'm going to use this cage, guys, to be completely honest with you, because this camera is so much smaller without it. I'll see. You know what? I'll try it like this the first time. If I don't really care for it, then I'll move to using it without the cage. I'll let you guys know, but I'll be back with some footage. I'll do some night footage as well, like I normally do, and put these videos out. But that's it for now. The unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. See you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.